It's good.
Now you gonna fall like Maya just did to get out the chair like that.
What's up, dog?
Yep.
What's up? What's up, dog?
Come here, get this tray like I said. Tray.
Alright, hold on.
Dang.
Actually, take it with me. Let's get an Asian eyes.
Put your shirt down. You a girl. Put the tray and sit down there.
Take us what people man. Gotta take out the trash. I got it. Alright. Let's get out here. Stop trying to be crazy. What are you doing? Stop that. Stop that. Cut. Cut. That's a prank. Go. Go. Go.
I'm going. Go get my picture.
Okay.
Get her
What picture? What picture?
No. Where?
Get up.
Give me some hugs.
Go turn your blouse like you some hugs.
This is a necklace that is wet. Now give me some hugs.
Get off.
Give me some hugs. Yeah, she gave me some hugs.
I don't want you up.
Give me some hugs. Go on to the picture.
Whew. I can't find it. Where is it?
Wait. Try to do that.
Ah.
Huh?
Ah. That's it. Oh, I've never seen that right there. Oh, what the heck? Hey, Kayla, what was in here?
Well, right there are crazy, but some things been happening. Just like what happened right there.
What? What? I don't see nothing.
Right there. And
Oh, what the? Hey, you been shooting a gun up in here? Didn't I tell you to put that gun down?
what does it mean a sign?
Kayla, there is no such thing as ghosts, so I don't even know why you're tripping off that.
Alright, you can believe what you believe, but I believe what I believe. I'll check it out. Sometimes the light just go on and off.
The light don't go daggone off and on and off. No, it doesn't.
Trying to tell you.
Oh, daggone it. Why are you being such a little liar? I don't understand.
Oh, something wrong with that.
Oh, you got your what the heck? What is going on? What is? Come on, Kayla, stop playing.
I didn't do nothing. I'm trying to tell you that.
What's it? The lamp?
Yeah. Trying to tell you. Trying to.
What? Hey, I didn't even hit the switch. Chill. Kayla, I'm not playing.
And that hurt.
Why didn't the switch come on?
And that hurt.
What the? Oh, what's the? Get out here, man.
Out of here.
Hey, where's the walkie-talkie you had last time?
Oh no.
You gotta look at all these daggone drawers. Come on. Oh, I found it.
Ghost doesn't like the light. Better keep it off. Let's go.
All right, you go upstairs and I stay downstairs. All right, is that clear?
Yeah.
All right. Let me know if something happens. Come on. Trey to Kayla. Trey to Kayla. Can you read? Kayla. You there? Can you read? We gotta check this out. Come on. Turn it off.
Oh, stop.
You alright, man?
I think I heard something
Up there?
I'm gonna go check.
Come back safe, man.
Okay.
What the heck was that?
Oh, I'm gonna check this
Oh,
out.
snap. Alright, come on. Man, what did you see?
Too many things.
Here, man, you hold the camera. I'm gonna go check it. Follow me, man.
I wanna live. Don't wanna die. I wanna live.
Come on, man, faster. Where did you see it at?
It was in there.
Here?
Yeah, there.
I'll tell you to stop playing. What the heck is it? Where is it?
What in the world? I told you. What was it? Come on, let's get out of here. Anything else?
Where we got Bill?
What's this? Oh.
Dang it, I don't know what.
Come on, what's that? What's that? Come on, Kel, come help us. What the heck is that? What's that? Come down here, come on.
Man, y'all okay? Y'all okay? Y'all okay? Maya, wake up. You okay, man? Mm-hmm. You okay? Come on, guys. We gotta get up, man. What happened?
You guys, I know. Somebody.
Man, it's rainy, too. We can't go anywhere. We have to stay in here. Dang it.
Man, I told you. There was something in here.
Sorry, man.
There was something.
Wait, what is that? See that?
Yeah, what's that?
What the heck?
Oh! Oh, dear. It wasn't her.
I got something for that.
I guess not. This is no time to regret the photo.
Oh, you're right. Okay. We should go to bed, man.
Yeah, I'm tired. I don't know what that thing is. That thing is.
Oh, we should go to bed. Come on.
I ain't sleeping on the floor.
Alright. I'll sleep.
Summer did it.
I'll sleep on the floor. Alright. What? What was it?
It's just, it was like, what the was that? It will come in front of us. It will come in front of us.
What the fuck? Whoa! We gotta get out here, man. We gotta get out here. Hey, y'all, I gotta go to the bathroom real quick.
What is that?
I'm sorry. My bladder. Oh, that was crazy. What the? White? What's that? Y'all better be playing with me. Whoa! Oh. Yo! Craziest thing happened, bro. I was in there using the bathroom and the lights and everything went off and then the shower and everything. And I thought y'all was knocking on the door. What happened, Maya? What happened?
Something. I'm going with you.
What are you doing, man? Aren't you gonna get up? Are you that dumb? The thing went off. There's stuff all over the wall. There's stuff all over the wall, man. What do you gotta say about that?
Tell her your tales.
Who camera is it?
Why don't you believe in ghosts, man?
Ghosts is just a star. All of them say.
Are you that dumb?
What you say?
Are you that dumb? So, hey, man, chill. I'm gonna get up here. Did you feel that?
Stop it.
A breeze.
Has
You doing?
I don't even care right now.
I don't know.
It'll just be a steep.
Ah!